How to cancel plenty of fish subscriptions. Hello and welcome back to Login Joins. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the process of how you can do so. So without any further ado, let us get started. Head over to your Play Store app from your device and also make sure that your Plenty of Fish account is connected with your Play Store account. Then tap onto your initial on your top right. Here tap onto Payments and Subscriptions. Then go on to Subscriptions at the second option. If you have any kinds of subscription related with this account, it will be displayed at this page. And in case you see POF as well, go ahead and tap on to cancel. So in case of payments and subscription, it is very easy to cancel because you don't need any third-party application to actually do so. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will be back soon with more tutorials like this. Till then, hit the subscribe button. We will catch you up soon.